In this tutorial, we are going to create a game-optimized door open and closing blueprint in Unreal Engine 5.7. Yes, so in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a door opening and closing blueprint in Unreal Engine 5.7, and it is totally game optimized. What I mean by game optimized is the variant you are about to see is totally optimized to adapt in a game without any bugs or crashes. So let's just start by creating a blueprint. I'm going to name it as door BP, means blueprint. Okay, so before that I have to show you something that I created this door frame and door static mesh in Cinema 4D, and I just brought this file here as FBX. You can do this as well by using Cinema 4D, 3D Max or Maya. You can easily create a door frame by just like this and just export the file as FBX. Before this, Unreal Engine 5.6, there you can find this here engine content. You can see the door frame static meshes and doors, but in this version I couldn't find the door frames and door because I don't know, but it's missing in the Unreal Engine 5.7. so you have to create your own door frame or door in any DCC softwares like 3D Max, Maya or Cinema 4D or even Blender. It's totally upon to you. Anyway, we need a door frame just like this and a door to create this. Okay, so let me just open the blueprint. Okay, now I'm going to add a static mesh. Let me just rename it this as door door frame and I'm going to drag and drop this door frame here, so you get the static mesh over here, and let me just rotate it like 90 degrees. And one more time I'm going to add a static mesh for the door. Okay, and just take the door mesh, drag and drop it here and do the rotation here as well. And I'm just change the view mode to front and make it right there. Okay, I'm going to select the front view and okay, let me just put it right there just like this. Now I'm going to select the door and put a material over there so you can easily find the door. So this is the door. Now what I want to add is we need a collision box for the third person character to interact with this area, and the door will automatically opens. So just type box collision, and I'm going to name it as trigger door. Okay, I'm going to resize this thing. It is fine. So whenever this character or third person character come to this place, or whenever the third person character interact with this door, the door should open. So that's the blueprint we are going to create. And uh, particularly in this tutorial, I am focusing on optimized version of this blueprint. Okay, not just creating a door opening blueprint. You can easily find a lot of tutorials in YouTube, but this one is different. This one is totally game optimized. So you cannot get any bugs or crashes if you are creating on a huge game. What do you want to do? Just open the event graph over here, select the trigger box, and you'll see this, and delete that. Now what you want to do is just go down here, scroll down, and you will see this on component begin overlap. Once again, you need on component end overlap. Okay, let's just put that thing there. Now what we want to add is timeline. Just type time here. You'll see this add a timeline, and just add timeline, and I'm going to rename it as door open timeline. So as you can see here, you can see there is play from start, stop, reverse from end, set new time, update, finish, and direction. What you want to do is just double click onto that, and you have to put a time over here. You can see the length time here. You have to put some values like 0.30, that means 30 seconds. And track, you have to add a float track here, just like this. So you get 30 seconds timing here. Just right click here, you will see this add key to curve float _0. Just click that and select this one, type 0 and 0 here. It will be 0. Okay, now what you want to do, one more time you have to add key to the same thing, and put a value over here, 0.30, and 1. Okay. Okay, now we got a linear animation timeline here. Okay, just save it, compile and save. Come back to the event graph. Now what you have to do is you need the equals. Just type equals, grab this equal here. From here you have to type get player character. Right now here you can see overlapped component, other actor, other component, other body index, from sweep result. We want the actor, other actor here. Just drag it, connect this one here. Now from here we need a branch. Hold B on the keyboard and click. You'll see this branch. Just connect this one here and connect this one here. Okay. Now by selecting all these nodes, I can easily create a function. I am going to convert these all nodes to a function. So I am going to do the collapse to function here. So it literally changed into a function here. Select this one and you can easily rename this function. I am going to rename it as door timeline function. Okay. Double click that you can get into the function here. Now what you want to do is you just have to type return node, add a return node here, and connect this true to the return node and compile. And one more time, just copy paste this one here. Now what you have to do, you just have to connect this blueprint to play and this one to the reverse. Okay, so the important part is just go to the viewport and select the door, okay, and drag this axis here. So you'll see the x-axis gone to 150 degrees, then select the door and drag this. Okay, drag this door just like this. So you'll see this door come to here like 150 degrees. So the door opening axis would be 150 degrees here. Okay, so keep that in mind, 150 degrees, right? See, go to the event. Now what you want to add is lerp vector, this one. So you can see two values here, A and B. From here you can gather two values here. What you want to do is just connect the alpha. You just have to connect the alpha to the new track. Alright. Now from here you can see this door static mesh, door frame static mesh, and sorry, I have to rename it. This is not door frame, I forgot to rename it. Okay, not a problem, door SM. Okay, fine. So here, from here you can see the door underscore SM means static mesh. Just drag and drop this thing here and just search relative, set relative location, this one here. Okay, now connect this update to here, and you have to connect this return value to the new location. Save. Now you can see two values here, A and B. These are the controlling vector values. From here you have to just drag and you'll see this promote to variable. Here also you have to do this. So you'll get two variables. So you can control these variables from the main menu. Select this one and rename this one. Close door, and second one open door. Open door, and make sure that you have to open this eye. Just click there and select this one, open, and come to here. You can see the show 3D widget here. Select that and here do the same and compile. Now select the open door here. You can see the axis value here. Okay, so we know that if you just drag this door here, you have to make it 150 degree to get this door opened. So select the door open here and make here 150. Compile, save. Okay. Let me just drag and drop this blueprint here. And I'm going to check that. See, it's working, but you see there is a gap under that door. See? So that's the access problem. We have to make sure that access problem is solved before doing this. Okay, let me show you that. How can we fix that? Just go to the viewport. So select the door. You can see we already do some changes here on the location y-axis. We changed the value to 40 degree because we have to accommodate this door accurate to this part. So that's why we dragged the door and put it here. So the value of x-axis is 40. So make sure that you have to put the value there as well. Select the open door here. So y-axis, put the 40 there, and here also just put the value 40 there and save. Let me check one more time. Yeah, it's working properly. It's working properly. It's opening, it's closing. Okay, but I'm going to tell you something. This one is totally not game optimized. Okay, this is the way, but this is not the proper way, because sometimes this would be if you place this kind of system in a game, sometimes you will see the bugs and crashing, because we have to make this more game optimized. Okay, this is not game optimized version. Now what I'm going to deal with this optimization, I am going to disconnect both of this thing and select this one. I am going to drag and drop it here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a custom event, add custom event. I'm going to rename it as open what is happening with my keyboard? This is driving me crazy. Okay, fine. Okay, this is open event. I'm going to create one more event, custom event. I'm going to rename it as close event. And connect this one, something like this. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type open, type the same name here, open event. Here, and I'm going to type one more time, close event. Okay, since you already created this custom event, just double click here, you will directly get over here. Okay, now what do you want to do? You just have to create a variable. Okay, for that, here you can see a variable here, add a variable, and this should be a boolean. So I'm going to rename it as door. Okay, So this is a boolean value and this is a vector value. Okay, I'm going to drag and drop this boolean value here. I'm going to make it set opening door. One more time, you need the set opening door here. Okay, now what do you have to do? Mark this one and we need a branch. Connect this one here. We don't need a branch here, just connect directly here. Here we need a branch. It's going to be false here. And connect, compile, save. Let me just test. So the door is not closing, right? That's the problem. Just go over here and this is true because we don't have marked the tick value here. So that's going to be a true value. Let me just one more time. See? So this is totally game optimized. You know, I have using this word a lot of time, game optimized. So you would think that why this guy is yelling like game optimized, always game optimized. Now, I'm telling this is because in game, there are a lot of chances if you're creating without this custom event thing, you just connecting these things directly to here and do the thing before I just did. The problem is going to be if you're working in a big game like AAA games, the character might have facing these issues like a lot of bugs and crashes. That could be happen. There is a problem with that. So that's why we creating this separate custom event and connected to this open timeline system and connected this value to separate. So this is the highly procedural way to avoid the bugs and crashes while dealing with game development. So this way you don't get any bugs or crashes. Okay, I can easily just delete all these things, set this thing and this one, just delete all this thing and you can easily connect all of these things directly here and just connect it and you can do this as well. Okay, but the problem is you might would get a lot of bugs and crashes when you're dealing with a big game. Okay, so this variant of door opening system is game optimized. I'm sorry, I'm using this word again and again. This is a game optimized version because we have no other option here. So a lot of people are facing this crashing event because of this not game optimized variant we are using. So this one is totally game optimized. Okay, I'm going to stop using that word. Your mind would get irritated by using the word again and again. Sorry for that. So yes. So this is how we create a door opening blueprint properly. Yeah, that's the word. I'm going to show you one more time. See? So what we just created is we just drag and drop this door frame and we just bring this door here and we put a trigger box here for the triggering and we just open the event graph by using this trigger box and take this on component bigger overlap from here and we took on component end overlap here as well and we created this door timeline for the animation of the door and it's totally linear. Just double click, you can see the values are very linear and you can control this value here as well. Okay, it's totally upon to you and we connected this layer vector since we have to control the doors, right? And we connected this to the set relative location of the door, which I brought this door here from here. Just door static mesh, just drag and drop it here, just like I can show you one more time, just like this, and you'll this door here, okay, variable. And I connected this target, and so basically before that I created all these things directly here. Okay, for avoiding these bugs and crashes, I created this custom event here, open and close, and connected to the timeline. And I gathered this set and set value booleans. I just created this booleans by using this variable, and I connected those boolean to this open event and close event, which I created here. And I used a branch, and I ticked this because this is going to be true, and because we don't tick this thing, okay, and connect to this close event, and just compile and save it. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to make this in a box, and I'm going to rename it as door open system. Right, I'm going to put a color over here. Fine. So this is a door open system, and this is the proper and professional way to create a door open system. Okay, in the coming tutorial, I would create a door system by clicking E key or any other keys using the keyboards. In the next tutorial, I would create a tutorial regarding that. But in this tutorial, we'll just concentrating on opening door blueprint system. So this is working very properly. And if you want to make this door opening very slowly, you can do that as well. Just go here, and here you can change the time value here, put the time, another time value here, like 50 seconds or something like that. So it will be goes like that way. Okay, but some people would prefer to use that delays over here. If you put delay values over here, it's going to be, I don't prefer that kind of system here, and connect the values to here, and I don't think that's a professional way. It could be bring some bugs and crashes again to your gameplay. So that's it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, or somehow you get an idea about this door blueprint system, please share these videos to your friends, and or your people who interested in this topic. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please hit the like button. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. This is Ashwin the Domain signing off.